Hello everyone, I'm Ashvin, and today we're going to talk about why random computer antiviruses can actually be a threat to your computer. In this video, I'll explain why that happens, how you can keep your system safe without paying for expensive subscriptions, and what you should do regularly to keep your computer clean and secure.
So coming upon this, whenever you install a computer virus, like whenever you install a computer, what do we say, virus protector or antivirus. So usually, it pops up on the taskbar. So when you add it, it comes over here, and you might realize that you get frequent notification that your computer has some issues regarding some threats or something anything like that. So it comes on the notifications bar randomly and always says to protect your computer, scan it and then remove the threats and all. So I'll just tell you it won't happen next, and even your computer will start running faster than previously what it was working. Just start with refreshing your computer a few times, and then like you can use your Windows key and R for random. So just type 3 there, run enter. Uh, this will run, which means that the computer is pretty fast. If it lags, which means you can understand the computer is slow. Slow. Have eliminated. And again Windows key and then R, and then write tempure TEMP, enter. See a few things. I think I already have deleted. You can just use the control button and all to delete everything, and then delete and continue. This will erase anything that you have. I already did that, so I don't have anything. And skip, and then return to your page back. Yes, there's the one. And then again, so next one is temp person. There's below one. This we enter everything, control all and delete. Do this for current items. It's done. Next again. Now we are going to use computer Windows function, uh, which is called MRT, Microsoft Removal Tool. It is an like type of antivirus that computer has, and it scans your computer, and if there are any threats or any like trojans, any viruses, it removes itself. Like you just have to put this and then enter. Time I'll also show you what all these tabs are. Yes, so it started running. Close window. And then next, over here, like if you want to customize your scan regarding anything, you can just put it here, customized, which means you can just select your desktop or your folders or whatever. I'll just click on quick scan. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to be completed. Full scan would take about generally few hours. You don't have you shouldn't turn off the computer for that, and you can use the computer till the time, but it'll take some time, long time. I'll just use quick scan so that we can quickly check if there are any threats. Till the time we use Windows PowerShell, which is also a feature of Windows to do anything on the system. As like as an administrator, we don't use open button. We use run as administrator. Over here, there's an option on the second one. We'll just click on that. It also says they want to make allow this changes on the device, yes, and it'll quickly open and ask to install the latest PowerShell features. Okay, I'll do that. Should we do that? Wait, let me type it here. Yeah, I think improvements. I think we can do it right here. Alright. But if you still want, if you get this notification over here, you can go and you can like install the PowerShell functions. I'll undo that. I'll just quickly complete this one. SFC SCA and now scan now. You can note it down somewhere, or you can like take a snapshot of this and then enter. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time, and then we can just keep it aside till the time. I'll show you the taskbar, how my system currently is. Oh, for just wait just a moment. Not the taskbar. I need to show you the device manager. No. Task manager. Yep. Hmm. Task manager. Yeah, you can see that the disk is currently just 6% running. CPU is 100%, which means the CPU can reach its full potential whenever required, right? If you see this thing in your computer, like CPU is at 100, which means you don't have to worry about anything, which means your computer is at full potential. And if you just refresh and you use the prompts that I've told you, just a quick scan through Microsoft removal tool, which is MRT over here, and then this is a not this one, not this one, maybe I'll just close the window. Let it be. Let I'll do it. Yes, administrator. I think this is the one. Yeah. So if you use this one, this is Windows PowerShell. You can go to the Windows button and then you can simply type Windows PowerShell and then not open. You click on the second option, which is run as administrator. As you click on that, it'll open up this prompt. You type this command function, which is sfc scan now, sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. It will start to scan your computer. In just 5 minutes, you can know that your computer is running completely fine and you don't have to pay anything for a subscription. See, this is the Microsoft removal tool, which already told me that no malicious software were detected. If anything was there, it could have shown me right here, and it would have shown me that it's infected, and it would automatically have removed that. Right? We can finish this and then let it complete. So, uh, antiviruses are really like it's not really required for your system. You just have to use whatever Windows has given you. One more thing I'm gonna show you, which is Windows security. This is an antivirus that Windows already have pre-installed in a computer before getting launched into the market. You can see everything's here. This one, these things, device performance, device security, and everything. There's the firewall protection if you want to check. So you don't have to get anything like that. Yeah, if you still wanna get something that is as per your request or your convenience. For example, if you don't feel like Windows can do up to the point, you can use a few antiviruses which are genuine, and it will help your computer remove the viruses and trojans and protect the computer from any threats. Right? So I'll give you the examples of the computer virus antiviruses that you can purchase for your computer. One is anti webroot. Webroot. This is the one. Like I think the internet's not working right now. Yeah. So not this one actually. Yeah. This is a very irresponsive antivirus, and it has a lot of what do we call pop-ups that it shows ads and all, and ads may also contain some trojans which can get into your computer. So Webroot is a really nice antivirus. I can really rely upon that. And another one is Kaspersky antivirus. This is an antivirus, and that is also a reliable one. You can use this to safeguard your computer if you want, but still, if you don't want, you can use the one that you have already installed in a computer system, right? So I'll just cut this off. I think you already know how to use this. It's still going on. If it completes, it automatically shows that your computer is protected, and if it does not, it will automatically clear off all the viruses and trojans that the computer is having right now. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just have to do these things, and your computer is always protected. Thank you for being in the video for such a long. I think it's a quite long video. I hope that you guys have gained some knowledge about the computer system anytime and everywhere. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.